Hello friends, welcome to Take It Easy. I'm Sky. My friends at my corporate place keep asking me how to use MS Excel, some functions for analyzing some reports or making some reports. So I have decided to make a video. This video will help you to make reports and to analyze data, and not only for corporate users but also for entrepreneurs to make good reports, keep data and analyze it for good business growth. Great. Okay, so this is your toolbar area. It is having different tabs like home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. Okay, so first of all, home is for it is here given with many options to change the font settings. Like you can change the script, and you can change the font size. Okay, and alignment and some basic functions are there. So yeah, I'll tell you how to use it. Basically, formatting is done to make the sheet look attractive. So as per my experience, I'll suggest you to use center align and height adjustment to center. Okay, now you can provide borders like that. And yeah, it was initially like the single one. I have done merge cell. Now you can provide the thick border to highlight it. Here also thick border. Now you can make bold or provide some background color and some good font color. Yeah, blue is good. Now you can increase the font like it is heading. So take it easy, chill. uh, yeah, so MS Excel basic tools formatting. I'll tell you, like if you want to make the font bold, italic or underline. Okay, so this is for that. And we have used just the border, how to place border. Now you can use this to increase or decrease the font size. Correct. This is for alignment, like I told you. This is for text wrap, like if the text is floating outside. Okay, so you can use this text wrap. It will fit the text to a particular surrounding. Or you can use the width adjustment. Again, if you are using width adjustment, this is not uniform. You can use height adjustment of the row as well. Now it is uniform and looking good. Okay, so now we have used and we have completed the formatting tips. And here are some more tools, like to change the format of the cell. This is to increase or decrease decimal places, conditional formatting as per the conditions, and adding and deletion of rows and columns I told you, and some basic formulas. So we have covered this. Okay, now we'll begin with now we will begin with basic formulas like addition, deletion, subtraction, or some VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP formulas. Let's begin with using basic formulas. We can add new sheet here. Now, like maybe this is your salary, and this is your rent, and this is your food expense, and maybe this is your miscellaneous expenses. Okay, so maybe like you are earning 50,000 rupees and you are paying a rent of 10,000 rupees. Okay, your food expense is like 8,000 rupees. Okay, and maybe for miscellaneous expenses they are 5,000. So total saving or cash in hand. So we can use basic addition and subtraction formulas. This minus this, this minus this. So this is your total saving. Okay, good. So we have covered some basic operations, and you can use some addition. Like if you want to add, so you can use sum function. So sum, then you can choose the total. Okay, so this is expense total expenses. This is income. Okay, need not to write everything. Okay, so here you can use the other one. You will learn how to use lookup functions. So there are two lookup functions, basically VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so these are the lookup functions, and they will return a value as per your conditions. So for that we are making a table, like a rate table basically. Here we can write some fruit names: apple, banana, pineapple, grapes, mango, like that. And we can write here the weight per kg rate, like apple is 120 rupees per kg, banana is 40 rupees per kg, pineapple is 60 rupees per kg, grapes is like 100 rupees per kg, and mango is like 80 rupees per kg. Okay, now if in some other sheet you want to return what is the value of any fruit, okay, so like for mango you can use VLOOKUP. So just put equal VLOOKUP bracket start, then this is lookup value. Lookup value means which need to be searched. So here we need to search the B3, which is mango, correct? Then comma, then where we want to search means the table array. So here is the master, the rate master. Basically we have selected the table, correct? Now comma, then column index. This means if the value is found in this table, which value need to be returned. If you can write here the index number as 2, it will return the second value, which is rate, correct? And then this should be always 0, means appropriate value, not approximate value. So the mango is 80 rupees per kg. Okay, you want to verify mango is 80 rupees per kg, correct? Now how about HLOOKUP? HLOOKUP is to be used whenever the data master is in horizontal condition, like we have done the transpose, correct? So if the master is in this arrangement, we cannot use VLOOKUP, we have to use HLOOKUP, correct? So we'll write like apple. Okay, so equal to HLOOKUP, both formulas are same. So lookup value means here we want to search F3, means apple. Table array would be like this. Now row index matlab first one is for name, second is for rate. So we will write 2, then true, means 0, correct? So apple is 100 rupees per kg. Let's check it. Apple is 120 per kg, correct? And many of you can use this VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP as per your requirement, and this could be used in many ways. This is the most useful formula lookup reference, most commonly used in most of the sheets, which we will learn in our further sessions. Okay, so we have learned how to use HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. Now this is very interesting. I will tell you how to use HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP together. or VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP together. Okay, so this is as per the conditions. Now you can use like the fruit rate for different months, like this is Jan, okay, this is Feb, this is March. Okay, you can write 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if the fruit rates are different, like 80, 100, 50, 60, 70, 40, 90, 110, 60, 70, correct. So you can use now for maybe for apple in third month. 3 here, 3 means Fab. Okay, so you have to use VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP apple, correct. Now the table array would be this much. Okay, next, now instead of providing column index number, we will write HLOOKUP. Okay, now lookup value this means 3. Where to look in this, correct, or maybe from here to here, because it is having only values, no? Then 1 because it is having only one row, then comma 0 because it is showing appropriate figure. So this is telling you the 80 means apple in 3 means apple in 3 means Fab is 80 rupees, correct. So let's check if it is showing correct for March. So it is showing 100, so this is okay, right. In this way you can use HLOOKUP with VLOOKUP, because we have used VLOOKUP with HLOOKUP. Okay, so this is mostly as per condition or requirement. So now we have covered basic formulas and VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP functions. Okay, now this is very interesting formula. This is conditional formula. I'll tell you how to use it. So the syntax of formula is like if start. Here first the logical test, second would be value if true, third would be value if false, correct. So here you can give a logical test like if cell number B6 is greater than 100, then write a comment good, else write not good. Okay, so by default it will show not good because cell number B6 is less than 100. Okay, now test begins. Like if we are writing 80 or 90 or 99, so it is showing not good, but we are writing 101, it will show good. So this is conditional formula. If can be used for many functions as per the conditions. It is very useful formula and you should practice this. Okay, with this we have finished this function as well. Now we'll see the pivot table usage. This is very interesting, and we need to some data. Maybe I can take some data from one of my sheet. Okay, yeah, here you go. So the data is like here's a name of person. You can write name of person, then this is subject and the marks. Okay, So now we want to use the pivot table. So you can select the data. Now on insert option, here is the pivot table option. Okay, so we have added a pivot table. Now what we want a person name. Here you go, Bhavanand, Pankaj, Sky, Vimal. Okay, and the marks. So Mr. Bhavanand has secured 395. Vimal has got 400. Okay, so if you want to add subject, we can add subject. So this will show the marks subject wise. Correct. This is very simple, but this is not the whole thing. We can use pivot table in many options, in many ways. Correct. If you are having any query, you can write to me. This is my mail address. Yeah, so you can write to me on forambar@gmail.com, and with this we have finished this. Okay friends, with this we have finished our agenda. We have covered the formatting and the basic formulas and data analysis option using pivot table. If you have any query, you can write to me on my mail forambar@gmail.com. If you liked our video, please subscribe to it, and you will get the update whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.